Managing participants. You can manage participants from the People page by clicking on the person's name. Information for that person will appear in the right-hand sidebar. Click on Message to send them a message. By clicking the three vertical dots, more options will appear. These include Edit Name, Edit Preferred Language, Add Private Note, Change Role, Add to Class, Get Message History, Block User, Report to Remind, and Remove from School. Clicking the three vertical dots again removes the window. From here, you can see how the participant is receiving their messages. By clicking on the school, it reveals their role within the school. Clicking on Contact Information, you can see and add contact information. Family Members shows parents, guardians, and children connected to the account. You can also add family members from here. The bottom shows classes owned, joined, and allows you to add them to classes. Another way to manage participants is by clicking on their icon. When you do this, three actions will appear: change role, get message histories, and remove. If you have the premium feature voice calls enabled, click on the phone icon to make a voice call.